buddies, Jaromsz here.
For today's video, we are going to do a tutorial on how to pay your Gloan. First, you need to open your Gcash account. Then click the borrow icon and Gloan icon. You can see here the loans you availed, the amount you need to pay, and the due date. If you already have the money to pay your loan, just make sure that it is already on your Gcash account. Just click Pay Now. You have the options here if you want to pay in full or not. Just enter here if how much do you want to pay, but I will be paying the whole amount. After you input the amount, just click Next. Double check all the details and click this one if everything is okay. So that's it, we are already paid with our Gcash loan. As you can see, payment was already deducted on the account. Since we are already paid with our loan, and if you want to borrow again, just click the borrow button, but still Gcash will be the one to decide how much money they can lend you.
So that's it for today. See you next tutorial, buddies.